Okay, so I need you to now open your stamp drawing. With this stamp is has nothing on it except your stamp. Okay, nothing else on it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the words School of Engineering and Science on a lot around this circle. So you're going to do what we learned from the array polar. So you're going to do um, a text now, and you're going to put and assign a text. Okay, and what text height do we want to use? Oh, let's escape first and let's look at the text height of this one. Click on this one, and the text height says it's 200. Okay, so let's do a text. Select that. Type in here or change the height to 200. Press enter, and then type here A, and then click check. There you go. So that's 200. Okay, and what you're going to do now is you're going to move that. Okay, oh, not yet. I want you to click on this and then change the justification to middle. Let's do bottom center this time. Okay, let's do bottom center. Okay, and then let's move that at the quadrant of the circle. So make sure that you check this and make sure there's check on the quadrant. There you go. Okay, so that when you point to this one, it will automatically attach to the quadrant. Okay, so you can zoom closer. So that's where it is. Don't worry about the solid hatch disappearing because the web browser just can't handle that much data. So anyway, once you have it here, now you can sort of move it up a little bit. Okay, if that's too much, if that's too high, then move it back. Okay. It's hard to use the group, so we're going to do a move and then select the text, press enter, and then point somewhere down here and make sure you go down a little bit. There you go. Okay. Now, we have to know how many letters is in School of Engineering and Science. Okay. So we need to maybe do an annotation. Click this one, click somewhere, and then click like that, and the height is going to be 200. Press enter, and then type in your school. Oh, we wanted capital letters. Let's just zoom out first. School of Engineering and Science. Okay, we can expand this. And then click check mark. And so basically, we want to put this all around here. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The space counts as a character. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33. So 33 characters including the spaces. Okay. So let's start now our array. Remember, we need 33 spaces. We're going to modify and do an array. Oh no, draw and then do an array. Select this point or this letter and then press check. And then we're going to do a polar array. So select that one. And the base point is here at the center, so we're going to make sure that there's a check mark on the center. So there is. And then don't point here because it'll not find the center. Okay, what you need to do is you need to simply point on the circle, but if your nearest is on, like this one, it won't locate the center. So I need to turn off my nearest. I want to check that off. Okay, so that if I point to here, it should find the center. Let's just uncheck all of them except the center. Oop. So uncheck and uncheck, so that when I point to the circle, you can see there's a green circle that goes over here. Now you might find it very difficult to find that green center if you have a lot of your O snaps on. So make sure that only center is on, and then you're going to select the center by pointing to the circle. Don't point here, but point to the circle. Okay, and then you will see that there is going to be a green circle here. But if you click on the if you point to the center, so click on that one. Okay, and then you're gonna have your 6 again, and then change the number of items. And change it to, you need at least 33. If you put in 33 and you press enter, it's too spaced apart, so you probably need more items. Okay, in this case, let's do 50. Press enter. Okay, I think it's still spaced apart, so we're gonna do 60. Okay, I think it's just appropriate now. And then what you're going to do is you're going to now change. We're going to click enter to stop it now. And you are going to change each character to say School of Engineering. So like I showed you last time, we have to explode first. So we're going to modify explode, because an array becomes a group. Okay, and then check. And then we're going to now, you can start anywhere, any letter that you want. Okay, so double click and then change that to S. Okay, and click outside. Okay, double click again. Up. Let's zoom closer. And double click again, and then change that to C. Make sure you use all capital letters. Double click again, and then change that to H. Okay, and these two will be O. So there's O. Make sure you use capital letters, and then L. And then this one is going to be a space, so I'm just going to simply erase this one, and then I don't need this also. Okay, so there's now your word school, and you're going to complete this until it says School of Engineering and Science. Okay, and that's what you need to do to end this exercise, and then you're going to save your work. Okay.